And in the continuation of studying PowerPoint tabs, we reach to the recording tab, which gives us access to record the screen, that the different sections of that are record, content, autoplay, media, and save. And if you don't use the recording tab like me in your PowerPoint software, you should activate from the File menu and Options. From Customize ribbon, you should find the recording options from the left side menu and then click on Add to transfer it to the right side menu. Because I have done this before, you can see that this option is chosen and it is also active. And then OK it in order to activate the recording tab. So let's see the different options of a recording tab. The first section of the recording tab is Record Show Slide, that when I was explaining the slide shows, I explained these sections fully and we examined the different options, and because of that I don't explain these options from recording tab and I go to the next option named Screenshot. The thing that the screenshot does is that it takes a photo from the open and active windows and add these pictures to the PowerPoint slides. Let's try it together. Now the desktop is shown and my mouse is in this way. I can select each part of my desktop that I want, and when I stop clicking by my mouse, the photo is taken and it will enter to the slides of my PowerPoint, and when we see that the picture format is opened for this, and we can add other settings on this picture. I delete this picture and we go to the recording tab to study other options. The next option of autoplay media from recording tab is screen recording. If you don't have the applications of screen recordings like Camtasia and Snagit and you want to make a video from your screen by PowerPoint, you can see the screen recording options that I will fully explain the function of it. Click on this screen recording to activate it. This tool tab will open for you that by default the audio and record pointer option is active, and if you want to record a video without sound, you can click on this icon and inactive the sound record, or by the help of a short key Windows plus Shift plus U, you can inactive the sound records. Then you should choose the select area option. By the help of this option, you can select the area of the part that you want, and the smallest size that you can select is 64 by 64 pixel. And if you want to have full screen record, you can use the shortcut Windows plus Shift plus F on the keyboard, or you can activate this option and select the area for the record and then click on record and the recording will start. And then if the recording ends, if you come to this top part, this tool will be active for you, that you can click on this key and stop the recording. And you can click on pause to pause the recording temporarily. Now I click on stop, and as you see, the recorded video is in my slide. Actually, the video was embedded in your slide, and if you want to have this video as a separated video, you can have right click on it and use the save media as option and determine the saving location. And in the file name, you can add a name for it and click on save. In this way, your video is saved separately. You could record your screen by the help of PowerPoint without using other apps. In fact, you did it only with PowerPoint software. And the next options, video and audio from this section. And the thing that they do is that if we add a video or sound to the slides of PowerPoint by the help of these options, they will play in the slideshow view very fast. Now, I create a blank slide here, and then by the help of video option from recording tab, I add a video to the slide of PowerPoint. Pay attention that it is common they add a video to the presentation slide from insert, but if you want that your video play in the slideshow view as soon as you add it, and you don't have to go and regulate the start of it in automatically. You can add videos and audios from the recording tab. Well, I click on video option and add a video to my PowerPoint slide. As you see, I don't enter to the playback tab and did not regulate the start option, and automatically this thing happens, and when I go to the slideshow view, my video plays very fast, and we can do the same for audio. From the recording and audio section, I add an audio into the slides, and as we see, automatically from playback on the start section option has been selected, and in the slideshow view this audio is played. Now let's study the save section from recording. The thing that save as show does is that it makes an output from your work in PPSX, that I have done that before, and I have prepared this file that when we double click on it, we see that our PowerPoint file is in output view, and we can have access to editing, and it will play in the slideshow view. So this is the function of the running the files with PPSX. I exit from slideshow, and the next option is export to video, that if you click on it, the export and create a video window will be open for you, and if you click on create a video option, your PowerPoint file will be saved as a video file and you can use it. It was all about the different options from recording tab from PowerPoint software. Hope you find the information practical and useful. In the continuation of studying the PowerPoint options, I will be at your service.